and then we're going to really chisel the cheeks. Suck in a bit. I love people who look like they're just sucking in their cheeks all the time.
I know, right?
It's like
They just
all the
have
time, all day. So this is that look. You can actually see the difference.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Hmm?
Yeah, this whole side looks skinnier than the other side.
And I tell you nowadays, you have to do it. No longer models only do it. We all have to do it.
Everyone does it, yeah.
The other girls should just get jealous of your makeup. That's it. Like you can also do lighter lips. Lighter or brighter. So if you're doing dark eyes, you either do lighter lips or bright lips. Don't do dark lips. And if you're doing a, like nude eyes, then you can go for red or just winged eyeliner with red lipstick looks great. So you can use all the nude colors for the eyes and red lips. Again, we smudge the lip pencil.
When you're doing the winged eyeliner, how far out should it go?
You can go actually according to your eyebrow.
Okay, till there.
If it goes more than that, looks
Just,
weird.
yeah.
So just within that or same as that
Same as
can
that.
be.
Okay. Wow.
By the time you have the third glass of champagne, you are like, so that's it, really going to dazzle it. Once in the light, you're blocking the light. Yeah, this looks great in the light.
Wow.
So layer on layer will obviously make it look. You have 2 seconds. Big chunks.
That's best, yeah, then you can just
Then I
open them
separate
up,
them.
yeah.
Happens sometimes. That's right. Profile. Well, that was 2 beautiful looks for Malini, and ending with the smoky eyes, which everybody loves, everybody desires. And we kept it very simple, very glamorous, and I hope she uses all these tips every day, because learning makeup is like really a great investment. It's going to help you throughout your life, and you're going to look glamorous and gorgeous all the time. So I hope
Thank
you're
you, Barbie.
happy.
I'm so excited. I'm excited to go and try out these looks myself, and I will report back and you can tell me how I did.
Yes, I'm going to check on you next week.
Absolutely.
Great.